You, the one who panics when the Wi-Fi cuts out, are you terrified of being bored? Or are you terrified of the thoughts that come when the screen goes black?
Kill the boredom, and you kill the artist.
Okay, deep stuff. But look at this. My phone knows what I want before I do. It's not a tool anymore, Bone. It's part of me.
It's not a part of you, Jack. It's a phantom limb. You feel it vibrating even when it's not there.
It's evolution. I have the world's knowledge in my pocket. Without it, I'm naked.
Exactly. You are the first cyborgs. But you didn't get a robot arm. You just got a brain that can't remember its own phone number.
Check your pocket. Right now. Did you reach for it? Ask yourself, do you own that device or does it own your attention span?
Unplug and see if you still exist.